And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to talk about common problems that any iPhones after iOS updated. So guys, here's messages like this. Apple ID accounts has been locked for security reasons. So how can I fix this issue? Simply step by steps and follow them. So first of all, open settings on your phone and type here your Apple ID and passcode. So guys, after that says asking Apple accounts locked. Your Apple account has been locked for security reasons. To unlock, you must verify your identifier. So how can fix this issue? Simply tap on unlock account. Now here's unlock accounts. Enter your trusted phone number to continue. Tap here. And continue. Again type here phone number, correct phone number. Tap here. So send code to your trusted phone number. Unlock your account with a verification code sent to your trusted phone number and then tap send. Now enter your passcode and sending your phone number. Waiting few seconds. So type your password. And enter password. And continue. Then tap forget password and verifying. Enter iPhone passcode and waiting few seconds. Now enter new password. Type here and tap re-enter new password and then continue and sign in your icloud, your Apple ID. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. And thanks for watching videos. Thank you.